Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace a lock on Honda Odyssey. That should cover the generation from 2005 to 2010. If you have problem with the power locking, we'll show you how to do that, how to remove, how to replace. We have the video also on the driver's side, but passenger will be almost identical. If you have problems with this one here, that's what we'll be doing too. We'll be replacing the whole assembly. So stay with us. We'll be putting a new door in the meantime. That's why we will be shooting that video, so we can help you with repairs if you need anything. Thank you for watching and please help us grow the channel together. Alright guys, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and right here now there is one screw that we need to remove. We have a link for all the tools and parts that we use guys on Amazon, for Amazon on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. You can find it in the description under the video below. We're building the site now and just sharing all the links where we get our stuffs from. Now right here there is another cap, you can see right here, that we need to open. Okay, like that. Oh, but it's still stuck now. Okay, right there. So we're trying to pull it out. I think we'll need to use a smaller screwdriver or a trim remover tool for this one now. Okay, right there guys, you see that's the one that you need to press in and pull it out. Because right here underneath there are two screws with a Phillips screwdriver that we'll need to remove. They're a little bit hidden. So one is out, one more to go. For the second one you can close the door handle all the way. Okay, like that. So with the trim remover too guys, we need to remove that switch now, because there is a hidden screw underneath it, so be gentle. Okay, there are a few clips holding it. Okay, it came up. Now we need to disconnect the wire. Okay, right here, this one you need to push in and you need to pull the wire out. It's a little bit short wire, so not as convenient. Okay, started coming out. Okay, perfect, like that. Now let us show you where the screw is. Okay, right here you can see that's pretty hidden there. So removing this one now. Okay, right there. Now underneath there you can get the prying tool and start removing the door panel guys. It has a few clips holding it, and then we need to slide it up. Okay, you see what I'm talking about, to go over the lock. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect. We need to disconnect a couple wires. Okay, this one here for the light. Press in, pull out, and now we need to disconnect the locking cable right here. Okay, like that. And then you just pull it out. Then you need to remove that thing to the side. Okay, this one is a little bit stuck. Okay, open it like that and pull it out guys. And the door panel is out of the way now. Next guys, we'll need to remove that weather insulation, that plastic here. So there are a few caps that we need to pull out. And you don't have to remove the whole thing, but we do because we'll be installing it on a new door. So you have to be careful, don't break it, because you'll be able to hear wind noise in the car, you get some cold or hot air when you're driving as well. So just gently start pulling it out, work your way around the whole thing. Okay, you can see it does unglue, and when you press it back in, it should glue back to the door with no problem at all. Okay, we got the cables out of the way. Okay, and this one there as well. You can see the whole weather insulation is out of the way now. Alright guys, we removed that plastic now so you can see a little bit better. Right here there is one rod that we need to remove. Okay, you need to pop that blue thing open now. Okay, once you do that, you grab it and you pull the rod out towards this way. It is stuck pretty good, I'll be honest with you. Okay, this one right here. So you need to, okay, kind of like help it. Okay, this one right here, guys, you can see like that. So this one is disconnected now. Now for the door lock, guys, since we disconnected the rod, we'll need to remove 3 screws right here with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, 2 out, 1 on the ground, 3 out of there. Now we need to get a 10mm. This bolt right there holds the rail for the window, and it's in the way. So what we will need to do, you will need to remove that bolt with 10mm socket. Then you need to grab the screwdriver. You can remove the rail out of the way, it just comes out. Okay, you can see with Phillips screwdriver, 2 more screws right here. Okay, like that. Now this one comes like that, pull it out. Then we'll need to push this one in like that. Okay, we'll need to remove the cable here, so that's a clip. Okay, like that. And you can grab the whole lock, guys. There is wires actually right here that we'll need to disconnect. Pull it out. You just have to work your way around it, and here we need to disconnect the wires now. Just press in and pull out. Okay, and this is the whole door lock assembly out of there. If you need to remove and replace the actuator that unlocks the doors, it's that black piece on the bottom. We have the video as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.